the Good Vibes Tea Tree Gel.
Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Good Vibes Tea Tree Gel. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, it comes in 50 grams and you get it for 175 rupees. I mean, that's the last price that I remember. If there are any changes in the prices, I will leave it on the screen somewhere with the updated price of what it comes for now, if there is any change, like I said. But yeah, 50 grams for what I remember comes for 175 rupees. Next, talking about the packaging of this product, this comes in this brown tinted plastic tub with a golden lid to it. This is what the lid looks like. It is a pretty simple packaging which is also very travel friendly. Also, it has legit everything mentioned on this. The sticker that you can see here, or this white flap thing that you can see here, it's basically every kind of information is mentioned on this, so you don't really have to worry about how to use and the ingredients used and everything, because the entire ingredient list is actually mentioned on this, which is a really great thing. Reading the product description of this product, it reads tea tree because, well, tea tree, a non-greasy face gel infused with tea tree to give you brighter, hydrated and spotless skin. It also helps to fade acne scars, control sebum production, leaving skin fresh, clear and smooth. Crafted with passion, skill, fresh ingredients and skin expertise. After all in life, all you ever need is love, moisture on your skin and good vibes. Now coming on to the review of this product, firstly the price and the packaging are super amazing. The best thing about the packaging is that even if it's 50 grams, it comes in this kind of a tub packaging, which makes it very travel friendly as well, which is the great thing. And the best thing about the packaging is that they've literally mentioned everything on the packaging, which is the bestest part. And also, since they have mentioned the complete ingredient list on their packaging, that's super impressive as well, because that way they're being very transparent with their consumers. They've also mentioned on their packaging that this particular tea tree gel is specifically crafted for people with oily skin types, which is a great thing, because that way people with other skin types can actually skip the experimenting part with this. The brand also suggests you to do a patch test before you start using this product or this tea tree gel full-fledgedly in your skincare routine, so that you can avoid any kind of mishaps, because they have used natural ingredients. That's what the brand says, that they've used natural ingredients in crafting or manufacturing this product, and the fact that not all natural ingredients are suitable for everyone. So you might want to do a patch test so that you can avoid any kind of side effects on your skin. I have used this tea tree gel for quite some time, and trust me, it feels really amazing on the skin. It feels very nice on the skin, but I did not see any kind of significant change into my skin. So that was a little bit put off for me, but otherwise it does feel very nice on the skin. It feels very clearish, very refreshing on the skin. It also happens to have glycerin in this, which actually makes my skin feel very hydrated, but the brand claims that this will actually brighten up your skin. I honestly did not see any kind of difference in the brightening of my skin after using this. Also, the brand suggests that you can use it on your skin and your hair. I've used it only on the skin. I don't know how it's going to work on the hair, so I really cannot comment on that or give my opinions on that. If you have used it on your hair, please let me know in the comment section below, because I would really want to know about it. But on the skin, it does feel really nice after I use this on my skin. There is nothing mentioned on the packaging or on the Purple website whether when you can use it, like what is the specific time that you should be using it, whether in the morning or in the night. So I prefer using it in the night. Coming on to the color and the fragrance of it, it has added fragrances and added colors, which is also mentioned in the ingredient list. So if you have the kind of skin that is allergic to added colors and fragrances, you might want to skip it. My skin is not allergic or sensitive towards added fragrances and colors, which is why I did not see any kind of side effect on my skin after I use this. But if your skin is of that kind, you might want to stay away with this. Also, if your skin is not allergic to added fragrances, but you do not happen to have a very high threshold for fragrances, you might want to skip this one as well, because the fragrance in this is pretty strong, so it can feel a little irritating on the nose, but other than that, this is actually a really great product to be used. Do not take too much to apply on the skin. Just a small amount is going to be more than enough, because if you use too much, it's actually going to make your skin very sticky, feel very sticky, because it has glycerin, so it will make your skin feel very sticky, which is why just a small amount is actually going to be more than enough for the face and the neck. You don't want to go overboard because you will feel sticky. I've said this, I'm giving you a precaution. After that also, if you use it and then you come and you tell me कि यार sticky लग रहा है and you said that it's very nice and stuff, मेरी गलती नहीं है, because I've already told you guys that it will feel sticky if you use a lot of amount. Anyway, just a small amount is actually going to be, trust me, it's going to be more than enough. All in all, it is a pretty decent tea tree gel that is super affordable, which will make your skin feel very refreshing. But if you're searching for a tea tree gel that will show miraculous results on your skin, this is not the one for you. It is pretty decent, but you will not see miraculous results on your skin. If you want something miraculous, you might want to go with something else, but this one will not show you any kind of miraculous results, but it will make your skin feel very hydrated and very refreshing. So if you are looking for something of that kind, you can go for this one. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also comment down below and let me know if you've used this tea tree gel on your hair, because I would really like to know about it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do that. Please follow me on Instagram as well. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below, and the purchase link of this product is also going to be in the description box below as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.